Hi there, I'm Gabrielle Saja, holistic educator, Alexander technique teacher, and physical therapist. Happy almost Halloween. Do you ever feel like this? A little out of sorts, maybe a little discombobulated, not quite feeling like yourself today? I know I do. That happens to me sometimes. Then the other thing is, what about this? It's Halloween, and all the skeletons that we see these days are all really creepy. They're all really scary. So I'm having a couple of workshops, one for adults and one for teens, so that you can learn how your bones are your best friend. We're going to do some experiential anatomy activities so that you can feel really strong and grounded from the inside out. So if we take a scientific approach, wouldn't it be nice to feel good and to feel organized and to feel calm and clear-headed? So I hope that you'll join me in these workshops. You can come to gabriellesaja.com/workshops and sign up. Are you going to be there? Yep, she's coming. I hope you are too. See you then.